Right, I'm just going to quickly show you something. With these wipers, you'll notice, I mean, it's probably a combination of poor design. They don't come up for changing. So if you ever, when you wash your car yourself, you normally put your wipers up. You'll notice you can't do that. But there is actually a service mode, which will give you access to the wipers. Hop into the car. Get your wiper stalk here, hold it back for a few seconds, and that will lock the wipers up just like that. And that gives you full access then to open them up like that and put them back down. Then next time you get in and start the car, they'll just go back to their normal position. I can't start the car at the moment because I don't have the key. But yeah, next time I start that car, they'll just go back to their normal position and then that's done.